In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guest in Monday.com. Invite guests to your Monday.com board. Monday.com tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to send clean, permission-safe invitations to external collaborators. First, sign into your Monday.com account and head to your home area. This is your starting point for managing people and boards. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to invite others. If you can't see the invite option, you may need an admin to enable it for your team or for your plan. Next, look to the top of the screen for the Invite Members button. It's typically in the upper right corner. Click it to open the Invite panel. This panel is where you choose the access level and add recipients. Inside the Invite panel, you'll see Role options. Start by selecting Member to understand the default setting. Members are usually internal teammates with broader access, including the ability to create or edit items depending on board permissions. This is helpful context so you don't accidentally grant more access than intended. Now switch over to Viewer. Viewer is a read-only role, perfect for people who just need to follow progress without making changes. If you're inviting someone from outside your organization, Monday.com treats them as a guest and limits their access to only the specific boards you share with them. This keeps your workspace secure while still letting partners, clients, or vendors stay in the loop. A quick tip: some accounts require that external collaborators be added to shareable boards. If you're planning to work with guests, confirm that the board type supports external access. In the email field, type the addresses of the guests you want to invite. You can add multiple addresses at once, separated by commas or line breaks. Double-check spelling and domains to be sure you're inviting the right people, and make sure you're not pasting any sensitive information. If the panel allows adding a message, include a short note explaining what the board is for and what you expect them to review. Clear context helps guests get started quickly. When everything looks good, click Invite to send the invitations. Your guests will receive an email with a link to join. Once they accept, you'll see them listed in your board or workspace people menu, and you can adjust their role or board-specific permissions later if needed. That's it. Quick, secure, and controlled access for your external collaborators on Monday.com.